Hello everyone, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, and today we're diving into a busy week filled with significant market-moving events. Here's what you need to know to start your week. First up, let's talk about the U.S. jobs report. Friday's non-farm payrolls report is the highlight of the week, and it's expected to show that the U.S. labor market remained strong in May. Economists are forecasting 185,000 new jobs, a slight uptick from the previous month. Investors will be keen to see if this data continues to show a cooling trend, which could support the case for future rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Policymakers have urged patience, indicating they need to see sustained data before making any decisions. Next, over in Europe, the ECB is set to make a major move on Thursday with an anticipated rate cut. A 25 basis point cut is almost certain, but all eyes will be on ECB President Christine Lagarde's comments about future actions. With inflation still sticky in the services sector and the economy recovering faster than expected, the market is curious about how many more cuts we might see this year. Meanwhile, OPEC Plus is gearing up for its meeting on Sunday. The group is likely to extend its deep output cuts into 2024 and possibly 2025. With oil prices hovering around $80 per barrel and global demand growth appearing tepid, the extension of cuts aims to balance supply and support prices. We'll be watching closely to see how these decisions impact the market. In the stock market, despite recent losses, all three major U.S. indexes ended the month higher. However, the Dow Jones Transportation Average has struggled, falling about 5% this year. This sector often serves as a barometer for future economic activity, so its performance could be a signal of upcoming economic trends. And finally, let's turn our attention to Canada. The Bank of Canada is expected to deliver a 25 basis point rate cut on Wednesday after recent GDP data showed slower than expected economic growth in the first quarter. This move could kickstart a policy easing cycle as the central bank looks to support the economy amid slowing inflation. So, from the crucial U.S. jobs report to significant decisions by central banks and OPEC, this week is packed with events that could shape market trends. Stay informed and stay ahead with all these key updates. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, wishing you a successful week in the markets. Tune in tomorrow morning for more insights and updates. Have a great week, everyone.